Hello, welcome back to Natural Music. I just finished up a track for a church for a song called "Livin' He Loved Me" or "One Day." It's a real upbeat thing, and it's a fun little track that I made. And there's a few things I just kind of wanted to share with you that maybe you can apply to your own music. So I'm going to play the intro on this real quick with the track and demo, and you can just kind of hear what type of song this is. Now the piano gets fairly buried in the mix, but I think there's some neat stuff in here that we can grab from that you can apply to your piano playing. So here we go. Let's play "Livin' He Loved Me" with the demo in the track here. All right, so fun song, and as you can see, like I said, it kind of gets buried a little bit, but it's still a fun thing to play. Let me kind of tell you what I'm doing there, learning to play with a band or accompaniment, and I'm just kind of hitting chords, and I'll show you what I want to get to out of this. There's a few things. So on that intro, we're just playing, there's a lot of horns, a lot of the bass, the guitars, everything's playing this lick. And I'm just hitting chords along with it. Livin', he loved me. And I just kind of play my role and stay out of the way and do the rhythm. But I wanted you to notice that little ending thing. So that's something that can be very useful, and you can put it on the end of a lot of songs. So this song right here, so after you get done with an intro, there's a lot of different options. You can walk up, "Livin' He Loved Me," or you can just hit that. We're in the key of F, by the way. And for those of you that want to view the lyrics and chords to this, and maybe to this actual specific song, although I'm going to apply this to a lot of things that you can use, it is on our lyrics and chords page, and you can go there and view it. And if you're a paid member, you can press the transpose button, which is fun to do, even if you don't need to. It just at your fingertips. So go there and check that out for sure. And if you're not a member, you can still go there and kind of view the chords to this song. But I want to talk about that little ending. All right, so that can be played on a lot of things. So it depends on what song we're going to do the key of F, because this song was in the key of F that I made this track in. This is for a church worship. This is something they want to open up with that's going to be kind of fun. They'll ask the congregation to sing along, or the choir. But you can apply this to, let's say everybody will be happy over there. So you could, if you were getting to the end of the intro or the end of the verse or just the end of something, you could do "Everybody will be happy over there." Or, "What a fellowship, what a joy divine." Let me see. "Leaning on the everlasting arms. What have I to dread? What have..." See how useful? It's just a different way to end it. Lots of times we end it just by hitting a B flat or a C. "What a fellowship," or we do a walk up. "Livin' he loved me." But this is just kind of a different way. All right. So what we're doing there is this right here. So we're in the key of F. So it's the chords to it would be F with an A, B flat chord, all right, B diminished chord, all right, and I think, yeah, okay, so then kind of an F with a C down here, so, or you could hit C. All right, so F and an A, B flat in the left hand, B diminished with a B down here, and then a F with a C, or you could just go C. I think it's C. But I'm not really even playing those chords. You could do it that way and try to grab them. Yeah, it is C, by the way. And that sounds perfectly fine. But I just kind of play the shell of this, and I go F and A, and then I go F and B flat, F and B, and then F and C. So it's like I'm taking that C and actually playing a suspended, not a regular C. So it's like I'm just doing that so I can keep the F in my pinky. And then I hit this augmented chord. And here's a spot where you can use this. C, E, and then we're going to raise the fifth to make it an augmented, which is an A flat. All right? So I kind of roll. I do add the C on that first one. You don't have to. I kind of roll it down. All right, and the left hand is just going bum, 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 bum. Or you can go down here and grab this other one. You can... Ooh, don't hit that after that. So this kind of ends on the 3 of a measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And that was not the right note to kind of sing, but you get the idea. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So yeah. Little trying to do a chordal thing with a single voice doesn't quite work real well. So once again, use it on I'll Fly Away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. All right. So there's a little lick there, and if you remember, go and listen to the track and play along with it. View the lyrics and the chords, and you can actually do it to this song, but that applies to a lot of songs in 4/4 time. You can use that. Just a little something. I'm also in the other video, I'm going to go over the ending. It's got a nice little hot lick and stuff like that. So go view that lesson. It's going to be called Ending Lick in F, I believe. And you can go and view that. So that'll be fun to do at the end of that track. But there is something, a real quick, just little lesson that you can apply to your music this week that's real easy to learn. And so on this, I'm just going like this. I'll play it kind of out. F7, B flat, A diminished, walk up to the D minor. Little he loved me. Don't play that up there. It's supposed to be down here. Little he loved me. All right. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you got some value out of just this little bitty ending lick that you can use at the end of your verses, choruses, or at the end of your intros. And we will see you at the next lesson. Thanks so much for watching.